Hello my love, my name is Kiamani Stevenson for those of you who don't know me, and I'm back at it again with another wig review. So this wig is from Sogoodhair. Hey So Good, what's up girl? I look a little crazy by the head, but that's because I don't have my wig on yet. Give me a sec. So in the box comes some cute little lashes, a wig cap, the use, and then a little bit of elastic. Always love that for sis. And this unit is a fake scalp bob 14-inch. Woo. What she does look like, I've actually reviewed a few fake scalp bobs before, but different companies consider. Ooh, is this a high-low? Oh no, it's not. I thought it was the asymmetric. I was gonna get really excited. Different companies, because you know, different companies have different names for techniques, and the fake scalp mimics an actual scalp. Basically, the installation of the wig is easier with a fake scalp unit just because it is essentially like a ball cap already sewn, so you don't have to do the ball cap method, and it does, you know, blend really good. So realistically, theoretically, I don't need this ball cap or wig cap, whatever you want to call it, but I'm gonna keep her on anyway because my hair is not braided. She's in a full-blown pony in the back, so I need something to keep her down. But yeah, it also makes the actual part look very realistic, and the front of the hairline is actually already fairly good. So I'm gonna try her on. She looks like she is a bob, but she is a longer bob unit. We always like a few extra couple inches. So on the inside we do have the adjustable elastic band. We have an adjustable strap in the back, although there is no comb, which that's fine because we have 3 combs in the middle. Slide this on like such, and let's just see what we're working with at the moment. This length of a bob, it looks really cute with, I feel like, a middle part in waves, but I did that in several videos before, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna straighten her. But this is the part for the wig. This is again a fake scalp unit, so just so you can see, that is what she's looking like. That's what she's working with. So she hits me, as you can see, at about here. Real cute, fun, fresh bob. And I think, like I said, I am going to straighten her out, but I am going to cut the lace before we do so. Obviously, I am straightening it out because the texture of the hair is straight, but it just, since it was in the box, it has like a little dent, a couple dents in it. So I'm gonna just knock that right on out. I actually had a wig like this, made like this, that was kind of like an everyday wig of mine that I used to always throw on, but I have no idea where it is. Someone maybe stole it, she might have got lost, or maybe she's in my car, Lord knows. So since I have another one similar to this, I'm not so butthurt about my other one being gone because I have no idea where sis is, like absolutely no idea. So I'm going to just cut the lace. So now that the lace is cut, I do want to try her back on just so you can see what she's looking like, and then we'll flat iron her. One thing about these adjustable straps that do kind of like get on my nerves is like sometimes they do like to come apart since there's so many different clamps. This one look like it's on here like the actual wig pretty good, but I feel like this is gonna give me a hard time. But I mean, this isn't adjustable. This is actually optional. You don't even really need this inside of your wig, and sometimes I do end up taking them out. Super natural part. I love when the wigs already come with a part because that just is one less thing that I have to do to just run her through. But I kind of just want to show off this part. Great, I know. And then in the front, it just looks really natural. As you can tell, it is pre-plucked. it straight to her, and as you can see, it did not take me that long. But yeah, it definitely is a very face framing wig. Not too long, not too short. It's just a cute bob moment. And the actual construction of the wig is amazing. Look at that. Look at that fake scalp. Look at that fake scalp. And she lays really flat. That's another reason why I do like when the companies put the part in there already, because it does always lay really flat. So did want to pick up this wig. Everything on her will be in the description box down below. If you pick this up or something else off their site, let them know that Kiamani sent you, girl. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.